For the race to Edo governorship election, Honorable Pius Alile Coalition Initiative don hold one ogbonge endorsement ceremony wey dem call Unveiling the Man, right Honorable Dennis Idahosa for nomination as Edo APC governorship candidate. The ceremony shele for Elora Royal Hall and Suite for Benin City, Edo State. Chairman of the occasion, Honorable Valentine Aswen, wey people sabi as DVD, come talk say belle sweet am to see the way Papa, Mama and youth tanda for the ceremony. He come talk say the man called Dennis Idahosa na youth and he get the track record to win election, and that na why im dey support am, and say this time na youth o'clock sake of say dem no fit dey recycle the same old politicians again, as APC for Edo need person with better track record. Honorable Valentine Aswen come still talk say,
many years ago we had Dennis Idahosa DENCO, but come September we are going to be having Dennis Idahosa. I welcome you all to today's occasion. You know, APC is one family. Tinubu, when he was about to become the president, he said, I know the way and I am the way. I'm not going to say it all. Say, follow who know. And I'm happy that all of us will follow the right path. Not be so. This is the way. My people, this is the. As we come here today, even led by our brother, our papa, our friend, Honorable Pius Alile Coalition Initiative. They have brought us together for two things. Number one is to declare our unalloyed support for Honorable Dennis Idahosa. And number two, because of the love we people love this our young, energetic governor to be. Our brothers and sisters from other parties, they have come today to come and join us in solidarity to support Honorable Dennis Idahosa. So I want to assure you that Dennis is a household name. If you go to where they call him Mr. Project. He's a young man, very resourceful, very energetic. A man that has passion for the growth, development, and the upliftment of our great state. A man that has passion for the progress of our youth in terms of human capital development. Not that person they look for. The only constant thing in life is change, and the only constant thing in politics is change. Leave the time for Honorable Dennis Idahosa.
Amen.
So I've come to appeal to you to join us on this very progressive train. This is a blessing for all of us. For the youth. Usman Adodo of Obi State will be 42 years old this year. 42 years old this year. Must we continue to recycling?
No.
Must we continue to recycling?
No.
Use your sense. People, your younger ones, your children will ask you a question one day. What is your contribution to the growth of our state? So it's time for us to encourage the youth. That is the reason why it's called Youth O'Clock.
Good governance.
So, DENCO for governor!
DENCO
DENCO for governor!
Youth O'Clock!
PACI wey organize this endorsement ceremony and founder Pius Alile Coalition Initiative Honourable Pius Alile come tok say Honourable Dennis Idahosa na the man of the moment and say e get all it takes to win election and say e coalition and everybody wey tanda for this ceremony don endorse Honourable Dennis Idahosa as APC governorship candidate and say come Saturday 17th February 2024 Honourable Dennis Idahosa go get the ticket as Edo APC governorship flag bearer.
Our detractors know that nobody is imposing nobody. Honorable Dennis Idahosa has the capacity to win this election, has the capacity to beat any opponent. That is what we are showcasing. If you believe that Dennis Idahosa can beat every aspirant, say yeah! We are challenging and we are saying that he can. And when it comes to the next election in September, he can also beat the PDP opponent and beat the Labour opponent. If you believe that, I want you to yeah! I want to tell you that Dennis Idahosa is who we are showcasing this afternoon. We want to let it know that this is a man that we believe in. This is a man that we believe that will get this ticket for APC. A man that we believe that after getting this ticket, we also believe he's going to go ahead to win the election. There is nothing stopping here. Today, we have no other choice than to prove to them that is popular with the grassroots, is popular with our people, is popular with the elites, is popular with the middle class, and is popular with the grassroots. And we believe that come on Saturday, he shall become the flag bearer of all progressive Congress APC in Endorsement. If you believe, I want you to say yeah. So we are here to declare that deploying all our members across the state on an aggressive mobilization of APC members between now and then to win over most members to support and vote for DENCO. It is gratifying to note that Honourable Dennis Idahosa towers above the other aspirants in terms of present electoral value to the APC. From available evidence, it is very clear that Honourable Dennis Idahosa stands a better chance of contending with whoever the other parties may present. Dennis is young, DENCO is dynamic, DENCO is credible, DENCO is sellable, and DENCO is a winner any day. You cannot compare a man that has won 2 consecutive elections with a man that has not even won 3 elections. You can't. He has a electoral value. We believe that if we support him and he becomes our flag bearer, he will go ahead to win the election. On this day, the 13th of January 2012, on behalf of all members of my coalition, I present to you Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa, aka DENCO, and endorse him for nomination.
Please, can we organize for that?
APC candidate for the 2024 Endorsement governorship election.
APC Edo South Vice Chairman Honorable Endorsement Benson, wey represent Edo APC Chairman, come receive the campaigns from other party wey their names na Monday Odige, number 2 leader, Ego Local Government; Honorable Joe Brown Idele Ero, former chairman candidate, Ego Local Government; Honorable Joshua Ohehe, leader, Ego Local Government; Monday Iseheren, leader, Ego Local Government; Ohai Ben Larry, former supervisor councillor, Ego Local Government; Stanley Ukpoma, leader, Ego Local Government, and hundreds of members from other parties. Some of the campaign come talk say,
we are not just the campaign, we are coming back home. This is homecoming. We are joining the progressive train. We are back for good. Thank you.
For one talk with our Tory person Ifunanya Okweze wey tanda for the ceremony, Honorable Pius Alile, Honorable Valentine Maswen, Honorable Endorsement Benson, Comrade Osarabo Idausa, Honorable F.A. Stewart, Gabriel Idusele, and others come talk say,
For me, I'm here on invitation to receive the campaign from other party on behalf of the state chairman. That is why I'm here.
We dey here come support our brother, Honorable Pius Alile Coalition Initiative, as he come give support for one of our own, one of the youth, very resourceful youth in Edo State. He don seek to raise support for am, Honorable Dennis Idahosa, and to also receive hundreds of the campaign from other parties.
Picking when God bless, different from picking when they take medicine born. Now, Dennis Idahosa, now we unveil today. He is our next governor by the special grace of God of Edo State. Waiting to happen on political revolutions in Edo. And this thing when they see here, so now Pius Alile initiative. I bring the organization, I bring this gathering together today, I bring everybody together today to come unveil Dennis Idahosa and with other members of the party across the state, within those states, APC members. You will see what you see here since now joy from everybody. People are happy because now their conviction, as I first talked last time, now waiting and see because they don't get tired of same old people when we say today they will come, tomorrow they will come. We will serve them so they can serve their children, serve their grandchildren. But now, this is not the first time when person they come from his humble background, zero background, when we say they give them a chance, make it take launch out to come reposition in those states for a greater height. Man, because they here.
We are here today under the invitation of Honorable Pius Alile for the endorsement of our candidate for governorship, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, who hail from Ovia Southwest, precisely Igbobazuwa village. And he contested election for House of Rep and won and showed the dividend of democracy to the people of Ovia constituency. So we are so happy that he has the inspiration of becoming the governor of this state, so that what he did in Ovia constituency, he can develop more in the state as a whole, not only in Ovia constituency.
I come a bit from my party. When my party leaders invited us to this place, and we are here to celebrate the aspirants that our party bring for us. All of us, as far the chairman and my followers, we are loyal to the party, and this is what the party bring for us. This Honorable DENCO is one the party bring for us, and we must deal with the party, support the party, and loyal to the party. And the party did not bring the wrong candidate for us. they bring the candidate that everybody like, Mr. Project. Everybody know, all the aspirants in Benin, who is Mr. Project? There's nobody that will call Mr. Project now. In 4 years, he did 100 projects in Ovia. We want him to come and do for us in Edo, entirely Edo State. In 4 years, he did 100 projects in Ovia. We want him to come and do for the whole state. That's why we are here to support him. With our power, with our everything, we support him.
I know Denko for a very long time. He's in charge of our federal constituency. What he had done amazes everybody now who want to see a good work done in Edo State. So I'm going to be here, spend all my time and resources to make sure that Denko win as the governor of Edo State.
We are here to support our brother, Honorable Anile, for the program of today as a part of the campaign for our brother, the son of the soil, a man from Edo South and a man for the Edo people. We are here for Youth O'Clock, Honorable Dennis Idahosa. And I believe this program is not only for the youth, but for every good citizen of this state who is ready for good governance. I think the time has come for Edo people to enjoy. Time has come for Edo people to be liberated. The time has come for Edo people to be lifted from poverty and from suffering. I believe Dennis Idahosa has the solution in his hand.
We are here to endorse Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa for Governor of Edo State. I know him quite some good number of years. He's a friend and he's a brother. We are bringing him to change the narrative of Edo State. I know he will do perfectly well.
We can't celebrate, we can't unveil. Unveil means that we can't show Dennis to everybody. And we want to tell the people, say Dennis going to win this primaries. They say they want to impose her. You go impose people when somebody will get crowd like this. No, it's here, it's on ground. We are mobilizing. And by the grace of God, on Saturday, with all these people, when they see that they go their various ward, they want to go deliver now. We'll come back, go raise the hand up. Now you go fly the flag of APC. By the grace of God, now he go win the next election and he go be governor. Now young people we they want now. We don't feel they recycle the same people all the time. We want young people, dynamic. He's just 43 years old. He gets strength, he still get energy. He's courageous. He can take both decisions. If you see what he do for Via Southwest and Via Northeast over the last 4 years, over 145 projects, now he only want bring. Come those two local governments. You understand? So he's a performer and he get electoral value. Somebody win 2 consecutive elections, not be by mistake be that. He won and he won squarely. Now such person we want now. And we want deliver by the grace of God.
Denko matter and I carry us come here. You see your Redo leader, a God leader, and a Bubaga leader. We they speak one voice. We come here because in our UTB. And I promise keeper. As we speak now, the president House of Rep for Ovia. Everything they talk say want to do for Ovia, now he do. Everything they there. So what is it tell us say we'll do for those states, we believe say we'll say to one. I make we come support youth. So those one will say it's too small to root them. I believe they don't born picking very rich age. May they bring that picking come for us. May they join us work. 1999, those one will say it's too small for them to work follow. 1999, how many years they did? They don't reach age? No. So Denko, now we believe say if he lead us. Because this time around at Youth O'Clock, now make all of us there. The rest of them, they okay. Except only one. Now only one, now I no clear inside. Because that one a criminal. I don't want to make her they talk that one because we don't pass there now. The rest they okay. But we feel a young pass all of them. Now make with the supporter.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.